Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. Okay, today's free alert and video is Apple, ticker symbol AAPL, and we're looking on the short on this one. We'll explain why. The swing trade buy opportunity for me is always when you're short-term oversold on a slow stop. That's when you start looking for the opportunity. You'll see it set up right here. Uptrend began to form, and that was the buying opportunity there. When they reach the overbought condition, you start looking for your exit. And we're seeing a good sign of weakness right here, gapping down. Now it did form a hammer pattern, so it could move a little bit higher, but this is way extended from its support line down here, the main base. So I'd be watching for that on the pullback side. This was right here. This was resistance, so now you would expect this to become support, short term at least, and so the pullback isn't going to be humongous, but you do have this gap to fill here, so I would definitely look for this gap to fill. That would be my take on that. So I'd probably be, looking for an exit somewhere in this line here on the short side. But again, that depends how the trade sets up and all that. So for now, just look at it for potential short opportunity for you there. How would you place a stop? There's different ways you could do that. Depends on what's going on in the market and what your strategy is yourself. One method would be this previous high of 227.70, what is that, 73, something like that. You could set a stop 1 cent above that previous high, so it'd be 227.74, and your entry point would be here, and you'd stop there. With this market the way it is, you'll notice today we had a sell-off, and then it sucked it all back up, most of it. That's a lot of momentum built into the market right now, so it's possible that you could see a little more upside here before she actually pulls down to fill this gap anyway. Gaps get filled. That's just a technical rule. So if you don't like the idea of being stopped out so easily, you may not want to place your stop so tight, so move it up a bit, that kind of thing you could do as well. So it's your call. Some other technicals that we need to pay attention to and why we're kind of bearish on this right here. The volume here is fading, okay, while the move is, in my opinion, peaking. That's a bearish signal. You also have the flattening of these two lines, the MACD moving averages. Expect them to flatten and then converge on a bearish crossover and pull back on the downside. You also notice the histogram here showing the momentum is fading right here, moving to the downside, and you are in the overbought condition of the RSI. Today's close 69.68, so you're just below it, but you just finished peaking there, so it's another signal for shorts. So anyway, that's the one free opportunity we have for you today. We hope you refer a friend to continue using our free services. If you're not a full access member and you want to be one, go to our website, sign up, pay the $145 a year, and you'll have full access to all of our alerts, including what's in my portfolio, what I'm doing, and why. I plan on taking another position within the next 7 days, so if you're thinking about joining, do so. I'll see you all tomorrow. Let's go make some money.